questions need addressing, like how we fresh in the adolescence and wrecking them. Hand them tracks, he destined to make a mess of them. Snapping necks and records in matter of seconds. Check him, son. Lost in erection and found it in an aggressive none. Fucking chin checking punks till he's out of breath and done. No effects from these dope sex sessions, son. Chilling for a while on a pile of the rest of them. Let the crowd choose who fucking last longer. It's the rap manga, rap monster, Earl Sweat, attack, conquer, lose, leave. Niggas lost like the last Blanca Chica that we picked up at the last concert. Please get out to see verses written with scalpels. He's a junior king standing out, shouting on the balcony. How come he's not in counseling? Fuckers lie while he's sound asleep. Heard he was dope with sour D. Nigga was courage cowardly. Stay gold, alchemy. Nigga, we raps alpha team. Mr. T with a mouth full of powder and a nose full of chowder. He's chopping up